Welcome to Technology in the Future. Today we're diving into some thrilling updates about DJI's next big release, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. If you've been dreaming of the ultimate drone upgrade, you're going to love what's coming. Thanks to a wave of recent leaks, we now have a detailed glimpse into its powerful new specs, major design improvements, advanced features, and expected European pricing. Let's get started. At the heart of the Mavic 4 Pro is a groundbreaking new camera. DJI is raising the bar with a brand new Hasselblad 4:3 CMOS sensor, promising an incredible 100 megapixel image resolution. Now, to be clear, a true 100 megapixel output isn't naturally possible with a 4:3 sensor. DJI is likely using smart processing like pixel binning or digital upscaling to achieve this. Either way, expect breathtaking visuals. You'll also be able to capture stunning 6K footage at 60 frames per second with full HDR support, combined with Hasselblad's legendary color science. Another artistic touch is the beautiful 10-point starburst effect on bright highlights, a real treat for photographers and filmmakers. The Mavic 4 Pro is expected to deliver a mind-blowing 16 stops of dynamic range, a leap forward from the already impressive Mavic 3 Pro. This means more detail, even in challenging lighting like sunsets or night scenes, placing this drone in the same league as professional cinema cameras. Beyond the main camera, DJI is introducing two powerful secondary lenses. There's a 70mm medium telephoto lens with a large 1.3 sensor for stunning compression and detailed portraits, and a 168mm zoom lens with a 1.5 sensor that shoots 4K at 60 FPS with HDR, offering crystal clear long-range shots. Both lenses feature wide f2.8 apertures for better low-light performance and include dual native ISO and D-Log support for smoother color grading. Another exciting feature is the zoom lens's ability to capture wide panoramic shots directly, with no stitching needed, meaning sharper, cleaner vistas right out of the drone. One of the biggest innovations is the brand new Infinity Gimbal, which now supports full 360-degree horizontal rotation. Imagine endless panning shots. Plus, the DJI gimbal can tilt up by 70 degrees, unlocking dynamic aerial angles that were impossible before. While there were rumors about an electronic ND filter system, it looks like it might not make it into the final model due to technical challenges. Traditional ND filters might still be the go-to for professional users, at least for now. DJI has taken flight safety to another level. The Mavic 4 Pro features 6 wide-angle vision sensors that work even in low light. Plus, a built-in LiDAR system provides emergency braking and obstacle detection in almost complete darkness, ideal for city flying after dark. DJI's new O4 Plus transmission system offers 10-bit HDR live streaming and a staggering 30-kilometer range. Urban pilots will particularly appreciate the improved signal stability designed to cut down interference and video dropouts. The redesigned RC Pro 2 controller features a foldable design that keeps joysticks attached. Just pop them out when you unfold it. It includes a super bright 7-inch mini LED display, built-in microphone support, and full compatibility with DJI's wireless mic system for easy voice recordings on the go. In terms of flight performance, the Mavic 4 Pro is expected to deliver up to 51 minutes of flight time per battery, with a top cruising speed around 90 km/h and a total flight range of up to 41 kilometers, setting new records for professional drones. Talking about pricing, the standard combo will come with 64 GB internal storage, 4G module, 1 battery, and an RC2 controller priced at $2,189. The Fly More combo adds 2 extra batteries, a 100W charger, a battery hub, and a DJI carry bag for $2,199. And the top-tier creator combo includes an upgraded 512GB model, 3 batteries, an RC Pro 2 controller, a 245W charger, and a premium travel bag for $3,599. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro looks like it's about to redefine what's possible for aerial content creators. From the massive 100 megapixel sensor and cinematic gimbal to next-level obstacle sensing and powerful new transmission tech, this drone is built for professionals and serious hobbyists alike. If you're as excited as we are here at Technology in the Future, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. We've got tons of upcoming content, including hands-on tests, detailed comparisons with models like the DJI Air 3S, Autel Evo Max 4T, and even future competition from Skydio! Tell us in the comments, which new feature are you most hyped about? Is it the 360-degree gimbal movement, the 100mm camera magic, or the crazy transmission range? We can't wait to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching Technology in the Future. Stay connected for all the latest in drone innovation.